Okay.
What is up guys, it is The Official here, and today it is my third tutorial on this channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your very own thumbnail using Photoshop. Now Photoshop can be in any version, it does not matter. Now first off, what you need to do is open up Photoshop, go to File, go to New, and go down to Width and Height. Set width to 1280 and height to 720. Set them both to pixels, and then press OK. Once it has loaded, you want to make your very own background. So if you haven't done it already, set the background to white, like so. And once you've done with that, go back onto your arrow and go down to the layer. Once you're hovering over your layer, right click it, go to blending options, and go down to gradient overlay. What you want to do after that is make sure that opacity is on 100%, and you can customize your gradient here. Click to edit the gradient, and you can choose any gradient you would like. Let's say that you want this one. You can also change the color here, and then once you're done, you can press OK and OK again. So if you get stuff like this little white line here, you can always just go back onto your paintbrush and just color that bit in like so. So once you've chosen your background, what you want to do after that is you can use any pictures or any text. So for me, I'm going to make my text. So what you want to do is you want to go all the way down to these icons here until you see a T. You can click anywhere on the background. So once you've clicked anywhere on your background, you can type anything in like so. So I'm just going to say custom thumbnail like so. The customizations you can do to this text is you can change the fonts, you can change the size, and you can also change the color. Once you're happy about this, just press the tick box and then you've successfully made it. If you want to move it around, just click this arrow and it should move it around the page. Once you think you've done with the text, you can also go down to layers and right click on where your text is. Right click, go to blending options, and you can go down to drop shadow. This creates a nice drop effect to your text. To make it stand out more, change your opacity to 100%, distance to 0, spreads to 22, and size to 22. You don't need any noise or anything like that. Once you're done with that, go to gradient overlay and you can change your opacity to 100%. Once you think you've done with that, then you can press OK. But before you can press OK, you can also do other gradients as well to the text. You can change it to any other colour. So once you think you've done, just press OK, and then you can proceed on to the next steps. Once you've done, you can also go onto File and go to Place Linked and choose any picture you want. So for example, I will choose my let's say my profile picture, and I can put it just over here. So once you think you've done with your customizing your thumbnail, then you can go back to File, go to Export, and go to Quick Export as PNG. This should render and make it into one proper picture. So once you think you've done, minimize your Photoshop and go into your internet browser. Go to YouTube and go to your YouTube account. Once you're on your YouTube page, you want to go over to Video Manager. That should load up. And then go over to where it says videos. Once you're on here and you have a view of all your videos, go and press edit, and then go over down to here where all the other preview thumbnails are. As you see, there is one called change image, and you can just click on that and choose wherever you've saved your thumbnail. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button for more, and I will be doing more tutorials like this. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.